Student, now I give lecture on types of water turbines. What are the turbines used in the hydroelectric power plant? Francis turbine, Belton turbine, Kaplan turbine and propeller turbine. Now we detailedly studied about the water turbines. First, the water turbine can be classified into reaction turbine and impulse turbine. Again, reaction turbine is classified into Francis turbine, Kaplan turbine and propeller turbine. The impulse turbine is classified into Belton turbine. Totally 4 turbines, that is Francis turbine, Kaplan turbine, propeller turbine, Belton turbine. 4 turbines used in the hydroelectric power plant. Now we detailedly studied about the what is mean by reaction turbine, impulse turbine, what is the function of Francis, Kaplan, propeller and Belton turbine. First, reaction turbine. So this is the diagram represents the reaction turbine. The reaction turbine consists of runner blades, runner, spiral casing, guide vans, water from a bedstoke. That is and the arrow mark water came from bedstoke only. The energy is in both kinetic and pressure form. That is the tubular bulb propeller Francis turbine. These are the example of reaction turbine. In a reaction turbine, the water enters the wheel under pressure and flows over the vents. As the water flowing over the vents is under pressure, therefore wheel of the turbine runs full and may be submerged below the tail race or may discharge into the atmosphere only. So the pressure head of water while flowing over the van is converted into velocity head and is finally reduced to the atmospheric pressure before leaving the wheel. You see the water from Benstoke, the arrow mark come and all, then you can van. So the van, the rotating means, so therefore then the head of water is converted into velocity head. Then impulse turbine. This diagram represents the impulse turbine. The impulse turbine consists of nozzle, runner, bucket, hand wheel, spear, water jet. This is the tail race is there. Bend stroke and all is there. Bend strokes to tail race. The impulse turbine, the energy is in the form of kinetic only. Example is Belton wheel turbine, turbo wheel turbine. The potential energy of the water is converted into kinetic energy by passing it through a nozzle only. You see, water came from reservoir to that nozzle through Benstoke only. Arrow mark is there. You see the diagram and all. Then next, that means that means the potential energy of the water is converted into kinetic energy. Once we have high speed water jet, we can use its impact to the rotate a turbine only. So therefore the water jet, that means is used to rotate the runner and all. That means the blades and all. So automatically the potential energy of water is converted into kinetic energy. Then Francis turbine, you see the diagram, these are the images, you clearly understand the Francis turbine. Francis turbine consists of spiral casing, guide vans, draft tube only and then valve runner. So the water enters the turbine through the outer periphery of the runner in the radial direction and leaves the runner in the axial direction, and hence it is called the mixed flow turbine. They develop power partially due to velocity of water and due to the difference in pressure acting on front and back of runner buckets. In these turbines, water glides over the blades with small velocity and exerts pressure. The water flow radially inwards and changes to downward reaction while passing through the runner. The water is passes over the rotating blades of the runner. Both pressure and velocity of water is reduced, causing a reaction force driving turbine. Water is discharged through tail race through a closed tube of increasing cross section draft tube. The the guide blades are each pivoted about an axis in parallel with the turbine axis so that the quantity of water entering the turbine may be regulated by tuning them simultaneously. A Francis turbine is suitable for medium heads, that is 45 meter to 400 meter, and requires a relatively large quantity of water. Then Belton wheel turbine or Belton turbine, you see the turbine, the arrow mark water, so the wheel rotate, so the energy produced by the turbine. It consists of a rotor equipped with the elliptical shaped buckets. Buckets means you see the diagram and all. The half semicircle like this is there, no? That is the bucket. Right hand side I have to mentioning, no? That is the bucket only. So it consists of a rotor equipped with the elliptical shaped buckets along the periphery of the turbine. The rotor of runner is cast steel or bronze or stainless steel. That is the rotor of the runner is made up of cast steel or bronze or stainless steel only. The water impinges on the turbines which causes the motion of rotor. The quantity of water discharge is controlled by controlling the nozzle opening by means of the needle placed in nozzle tip. The movement of the needle is controlled by governor. When the load on turbine reduces, the governor pushes the needle into nozzle, thereby reduces the quantity of water striking buckets. Majority are horizontal shaft type. This has two nozzles. The buckets are bolted onto the runner, but integral casting of buckets with a runner is also possible. This turbine is not suitable for water heads below 200 meters. Then next Kaplan turbine. You see the Kaplan turbine, the two-way what came, and then propeller inside is the, that means the cone pipe is nothing but the propeller and then draft tube. The head race is there, right hand, that means left hand side, right hand side tail race is there, guide vans is there. So this is the reaction turbine. This is one of the type of the reaction turbine. It has gate governing mechanism similar to that of the Francis turbine. The water flow strikes the blades axially and receives water radially. The water flow radially inwards through the regulating gates all round the sides, changing direction in the runner to axial flow and causing reaction force which drives the turbine. They are vertical shape shaft. This has highest specific feed, is suitable for low head and large flow plants. The runner blades are less in Kaplan turbine, that is 3 to 6 blades only. A Kaplan turbine with adjustable runner blades and adjustable guide vanes is double regulated, while one with only adjustable runner blades. Then propeller turbine. You see the propeller turbine, propeller, this is the axial flow, this side only is the guide vane, is a little bit similar to the Kaplan turbine. Propeller turbines are most useful for low head applications such as low running, low land rivers. The head of the water is typically 10 meter or less. Axial flow reaction turbine used, there has got no provision for changing the runner blade angle while turbine is in motion. In such a turbine, the blades are cast integrally with the hub. Though its construction is very simple, and easy, but its efficiency falls sharply at reduced loads. Therefore, such a turbine, that is the propeller turbine, is kept fully loaded for efficient operation. So thank you student for watching this video.